Thank you. China News Agency, my service. My question to Mr. Gu. This year marks the 10th anniversary of the Belt and Road Initiative, and this is also the welcomed global public goods and also a cooperative platform. So what the achievements we have gained in the past 10 years in advancing BRI? Thank you for your question, and this is also a very important question. This is also one of the questions drawing global attention. Opening up is one of the key national strategies. With the focus of constructing the parallel free trade zones, we have made further breakthroughs in the international cooperation and also to blazing the new path in this regard. It's the vivid evidence of China's high standard, high quality opening up. At the same time, also provide new opportunities for the global cooperation. We could see that over the past 10 years, the BRI always preserved the opportunities for cooperation, and we have signed 200 the documents with the 133 countries and 23 international organizations, and the investment to these BRI countries increased by 80%. According to the World Bank, till 2030, BRI could help the 7.6 million people out of absolute poverty, and 32 million people could help them live out of the middle-level poverty. As a practitioner in opening up endeavor, I have quite the solid understanding of the Belt and Road Initiative. I knew some behind-the-scenes story, so I could see that the BRI actually answered the question of the time, demonstrating China's philosophy and shouldering China's due responsibility and making China's contribution to the world. There's one Chinese company in the African country and to help construct a pharmaceutical industry. So that's a modern manufacturing industry in Mali, in the Southern Africa, and this is the very first of its kind. And the industry, in pharmaceutical in Africa, that's also to help boost the development of the upstream and the downstream enterprises. And these pharmaceutical company also export to the 8 countries, help to ease the medicine shortage in the Western Africa, and also won a big applaud and recognition of the people in Africa. So I actually, during my job, knew a lot of these kind of stories and benefiting the local people and improving their well-being. I believe that the shared growth through consultation and collaboration, that's a great cause driven by BRI. Right now, we are facing the common challenges, and the world experiencing the uncertainties. And in a grave situation, we are looking for more opportunities for interconnectivity and cooperation. BRI is initiated by China, but its results shared by the whole globe. So our future is bright, but the responsibility and the task are arduous. So that make us to further push the BRI to a stable and sustainable future, so that help us to achieve the goal and also made China's contribution and wisdom in building a community with a shared future for mankind. Thank you, Mr. Gu.